When they ask you to evaluate a function, basically you're doing what I like to call plugging and chugging. It says f of x equals 11 times a 1.2 raised to the x minus 6. And they want you to evaluate f of 3. So you are going to put that 3 into the function where the x is. So f of 3 is going to equal 11 times 1.2 raised to the 3 minus 6. And 3 minus 6, that's a negative 3. And at this point, grab your calculator. All right. And I don't know what kind of calculator you have, but you definitely want to have a scientific one that will do exponents. And I'm literally typing it in as I see it. I see an 11. I hit my parenthesis. I hit the 1.2. I close the parenthesis. And then most scientific calculators have a button that looks like this. They call it the caret button, but that's your exponent button. So I'll hit that button. You got to find it first. And that will raise it up to a power of, and then depending on your calculator, somewhere on your calculator there's probably a button that looks like that. That's what you use for a negative. Do not use the button that just has this line on it. Do not, okay? That's the subtraction sign. You want to raise it to a negative 3, so you hit that button and then the 3. So when you do all of this, that is what will get this into your calculator. And then all you have to do is hit equal or the enter button, whichever one it is. And my calculator displays, whoops, I need a black pen, a 6.365740741, but Mobius has asked me to round your answer to 4 decimal places. Okay, 4 decimal places means it's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers to the right of the decimal point. So it's the 7 you're going to round. Now, that 7 may stay a 7 or it might go up to an 8, and you have to look at the next number. Since this is just a 4, it's going to stay at 7. If that were a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you would round up to the 8. So my answer is approximately, and this little symbol here, which kind of looks like an equal sign on crack, that's the approximate symbol. So it's 6.3657. And that's what I'll type into Mobius, 6.3657. And hit how did I do? Yay! There you go. Now they show an extra step here where they actually calculated 1.2 raised to the negative 3rd power, and that's not even a correct answer. They rounded it off. I would not round until the very end. Let your calculator do as much work as possible, okay? Just let it do the math for you. And then plug it in, round it then. Because if you round too early and then you round it a second time, you're double rounding. And you're not going to have a very accurate answer. So don't round till the very end.